In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix sync pending in OneDrive. This is a common issue and can be quite frustrating, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to do to get your OneDrive back in sync. First, you'll want to start by clicking on the OneDrive icon located on your taskbar. This is usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you've clicked on it, a menu will appear. Look for and click on the gear icon. This is your settings menu where you're going to adjust some options to kickstart the syncing process. In the settings menu, you'll find an option marked Pause Syncing. Click on it. By pausing the sync, we create a sort of reset within OneDrive's syncing mechanism. After you've done this, proceed by clicking on Quit OneDrive. This will close the application entirely, which is a necessary step for us to ensure a fresh start when we reinitiate the application. Now, it's time to open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon on your taskbar. Within File Explorer, you'll need to find and select OneDrive from the list on the left-hand side. This will allow us to verify that we're interfacing with the correct files and applications. Once you've selected OneDrive, the next step is to restart it. To do this, look for the application in your Start menu or use the search bar. Type in OneDrive, and when it appears, click on Start OneDrive. By doing this, you've restarted the OneDrive sync process completely, which will often resolve any issues with files not syncing properly. If after following these steps you find that the sync issue persists, a simple solution could be to restart your PC. Sometimes, a full reboot of your system is necessary to clear any lingering temporary glitches that may be affecting the performance of programs like OneDrive. Remember, a restart of your computer can often resolve a multitude of minor issues and refreshes the entire system's memory, giving it a clean slate from which to work. This can be particularly helpful if any background processes weren't shut down properly the first time. By following these steps, you're giving OneDrive the best opportunity to resolve any sync issues. However, if these steps don't solve the problem, there may be a deeper issue that requires further troubleshooting. For most cases, though, this method should get your files syncing properly again in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps resolve your OneDrive sync issues.